Yes. Hello everyone. Myself Shilpa, lecturer in English, Vishwamanava Composite PU College, Chitradurga. See, as you all know that in the previous class we discussed about the articles part first, that is definite article, indefinite articles and definite articles. See here we should continue that. Yes, as you all know that a and the are called as articles. A and an are indefinite articles. The is considered as definite article. In a previous class we studied 4 rules to use a and an. Now another 3 is remaining. Now rule number 5th. Rule number 5th. Use of a and use of a or and to mention category, are type of a person or are things. See, this is rule number 5th. The use of a and an to mention the category or a type of things which these belong to. I will write the example first, then I will reveal about you about category and type. My car, first one, my car is 2011 Ford Fusion. Which type of car it is? It is 2000 Ford Fusion. Here I put A. See, category of a car is revealing here. Second one, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I belong to the category of a teacher, means my profession is teaching. So, I am a teacher. See, you can use your TV. You can use your TV as a laptop. As a laptop monitor. See here, you can, 5th rule, don't forget, you can use a and an to mention the category or type of a person or a thing belong to. My car is a 2011 Ford Fusion. Here my car, which kind of category it is belong to? 2001. Next, I am a teacher, means my profession is teaching. It is about the category of a person. It is revealing. You can use your TV as a laptop. How can you use your TV? As a laptop. So, a and an can be used here also. See, here another example and last example. Jim's daughter is an intelligent girl. See, she belongs to the category or type. Which type? She is a intelligent girl. This is a 5th rule you are observing. See, next, that is rule number 6. Rule number 6. Generalizing with plural or uncountable noun we should not use article a and an. Don't forget. 5 ರೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿದವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ we should not use articles where it can be generalizing with plural or uncountables, with plurals are uncountables, generalizing with plural or uncountables. Uncountables are uncountable nouns with no articles. We should not use any articles here. As I told you, rule number 6 and 7, we should not use article in these areas. ಈ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 7 ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅದು ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಬರೀ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ಇನ್ನು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ here, teachers should be friendly to students. Teachers should be friendly to students. See, teacher should be friendly to students. One. Second one, education is very important in life. Education is very important in life. See, plurals. See, uncountables, life. We should not use any article there. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಟು his students. See here, I used a here. I should not use any article here because it is a plural. Teacher, teachers. Plural ಮತ್ತೆ uncountable. ಲೈಫ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ uncountable ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ we should not use any articles here. In another example, dolphins are very intelligent. Dolphins are very intelligent. We should not use any article here. When it change into singular, it means that dolphin is a very intelligent animal. See, I used the with the singular. I don't use any article here. It is plural. Here also I don't use any article. Are you following? ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7. Yes, rule number 7. Here also we should not use any article. Last two rules idavalla, rule number 6 and rule number 7. You should not use any articles there. See, no articles in these situations. Yes, where first one. In first one with the proper noun. Proper nouns. You should not use with proper noun. Name of a person and place. What do you mean by proper noun? It is a name of a particular person and also name of a place. It can be considered as a proper noun. So in this area also, in these situations, we should not use any articles here. For example, Shilpa, Priya, Raju, etc. See, we should not use any articles before these proper nouns. First nedu ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿ ಜಪಾನ್. We should not use any articles here. Japan, Australia, next New York. See, place. This is the first one, proper noun. Next, we should not use before names of games and languages. We should not use any articles before the name of a games and also name of languages. For example, chess. We should not use any article here. Cricket. Here also, we should not use any articles. And language, about language, French. You should not use any language here. French. Hindi. Arabic. You should not use any articles before the names. And third situation here, fixed expressions here. Some of the fixed expressions here, we should not use any articles before that. For example, at home, at work, church, school, at school, university, at university, etc. We should not use any articles there itself. At noon, at night, on Sunday, to on Saturday. See, these are the areas we should not use any articles. Firstly, proper noun, name of a person and place. We should not use any articles here. I revealed the examples and about the place here. And secondly, name of a games and languages, that is chess, cricket, and also language, French, Hindi, Arabic, Kannada, English, etc. We should not use any articles here, and in some fixed expressions also we should not use any articles here. For example, here at home, at work, at church, at school, at university, we should not use a home, a work, a church. Like this we should not use those. These are the fixed expressions. And at noon, at night, on Sunday to Saturday, madhya baruvantava on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, etc. Like this we should not use a and an here. See, this is all about your use of indefinite articles a and an, where we should not use rule number 6, and in rule number 7 we should not use any articles with it. Keep it in mind. Should be careful. Watch the video and write down the key points also. See, next. See, next, definite articles, the. Definite articles, the, can be used in many situations. The definite articles, the, can be used in different situations. Here are so many situations we can use the. I will reveal about some of the rules here also. For rule number 1, to talk about a person or a thing known to your listener. To talk about a person, talk about a person or a thing which is known to, which is known to your listener. First rule, here the can be used to talk about a person and a thing which is belong to. For example, the doctor which I went yesterday, he was quite good. I went to the Dr. Suresh, the doctor which is quite good. For example, this is the first PUC PCMB A section class. This is the, I am using the first PUC PCMB, or this is the first PUC EBAC, or this is the first PUC PCMC classroom. See, this is the first rule I am revealing you. Secondly, with unique things. With unique things means ಅಪರೂಪವಾಗಿರುವಂತವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಅವು? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, the sun, the moon, the sun, the moon, the sky, the world, the universe, etc. See, this is the second rule. With unique things, the can be used with unique things, that is the sun, the moon. These are all one for our earth. ನಮಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಒಂದಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ದ ಸನ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬನೇನೆ, ಮೂನ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಸ್ಕೈ ಒಂದೇನೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್. These are all the unique things we are using. These are the unique things which are which can be used. See, and rule number third, with some words referring to nature or environment. With some words which are referring to nature or the environment generally. Generally, for example, first I will write the exam and afterwards I will explain to you the countryside. The countryside, the town, the seaside, the beach, the mountain, etc. See, here with some words referring to nature or environment generally. Some of the words which are related to environment generally, we can use the definite article. The countryside, for example, village side, which is related to environment. So we can use here the, and the town, and the seaside, and the beach, the weather, and the mountain, etc. See, these are the three major areas we can use the here, and in the next class we will discuss further where all the means in which aspects also we can use the can be discussed in the next class. Watch the video carefully and write down the notes and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope you all understood this lesson. If you have any doubts or any queries, please ask me in WhatsApp. Thank you.